Hello everyone, today I will talk about a permutation and a combination. What is a permutation and a combination? Basically, for a given set, to find all the permutation is to find all the different arrangements. And to find all the combination is to find all the arrangement that the order doesn't matter. Let's start from a three-element example and find all arrangement of those three elements. There are six arrangements: ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. How to find those arrangements? Here's what we do. First, we choose the first element of these three elements. There are three choices, A, B, and C. Then we pick the second element from the remaining items. If A is picked as the first element, the remaining items are B and C. So there are two choices for the second elements, either B or C. After choosing the first two elements, we will choose the third element, the last element from the remaining item. If A and B are picked for the first and the second element, the remaining item is only C, so the third element is the only choice is C. So we found the first arrangement is ABC. We repeat the same operation for the rest of the arrangement. Finally, we found the six choices. Now let's consider the combination of the same set. If we have to choose three elements, there is only one choice, which is ABC, since the order doesn't matter. ABC, ACB, CBA are all considered the same choice. If we have to pick two elements from this set, there are three choices, which are AB, AC, and BC. How to find the combination? To find the combination of two elements in this three-element set, first we pick the first element from the set. We have three choices, A, B, and C. Then we pick the second element from the remaining. This time, the operation is different from its permutation, since the order doesn't matter. For the first element picked is A, the remaining items are B and C. So there are two choices for the second element, means the last element. So we found two combinations, AB and AC. For the first element picked is B, the remaining item is only C. Why? Because A has been picked in the previous operation, so it has to be removed from the remaining item. To satisfy the requirement that the order doesn't matter, so we only have one combination, BC. For the C is picked for the first element, the remaining item is empty, so there is no any combination. Therefore, we only find three combinations for the two elements in the three-element set. Let's go to the code now. Let's first look at the permutation code. The code first chooses the item from the list. Then recursively permute the remainder items after removing the selected item. Last, append the item after the permutation. One key point should be pointed here is to return the empty list when key is 0, since no item is selected. For the combination, everything is the same, except that the remained item don't contain any previous selected item. However, Python offers a convenient solution. You just need a module iter2 for the permutation and the combination purpose. Alright, that's all for today. See you next episode.